If you've been waiting for the best time of the year to grab web hosting from Bluehost, the Black Friday sale is officially live, and this is the biggest discount you'll see all year. Right now, you can save up to 70% off select hosting plans with pricing starting as low as $2.99 per month, plus a free domain name for the first year on qualifying plans. This deal is exclusive. To take advantage of the Bluehost Black Friday deal, just click the link in the description below. The discount is applied automatically. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. Let's break down the pricing and what you get. Starter plan as low as $2.99 a month, perfect for beginners, blogs, and simple websites. Includes free domain name for 1 year, free SSL, 10 GB NVMe storage, 10 websites, 40,000 visits a month, automatic WordPress installation, beginner-friendly dashboard. Something to note, if you choose monthly billing, it does not include the free domain name. Only annual plans do. Business plan, $4.19 a month. This is the best value during the sale and ideal if you want more features or plan to grow. Includes everything in Starter Plus, 50 GB NVMe storage, 50 websites, 200,000 visits a month, daily backups, malware removal, and phone support. If you're unsure which plan to choose, the business plan is the sweet spot of price and features during this Black Friday sale. eCommerce Essentials, $9.99 a month, built for anyone wanting to start an online store with WooCommerce. You get 100 GB NVMe storage, 100 websites, 400,000 visits a month, advanced store tools, online selling features, more storage and performance, WooCommerce optimized setup, premium e-commerce templates. If your goal is to sell products, digital downloads, or run a WooCommerce store, this plan gives you everything you need at the deepest Black Friday discount. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress and known for being one of the most beginner-friendly hosting providers. With this deal, you're getting up to 70% off pricing, free domain name for the first year, free SSL, fast loading speeds, easy WordPress install, 24/7 support, one of the best offers of the year. To lock in your discount, click the link in the description below. This automatically activates the Black Friday pricing. Choose a plan, starter, business, or e-commerce essentials. Choose your free domain name. Select an annual plan if you want the free domain name. Complete checkout, and you're done. This link ensures you get the exclusive discount that saves you the most money possible. If you're planning on starting a blog, business website, portfolio, or online store, this is the best time of the year to grab Bluehost. Starter if you're brand new, business if you want more speed and features, e-commerce essentials if you're building a store. Don't wait too long. Once Black Friday is over, prices increase. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the Bluehost Black Friday deal. The link to claim the discount is below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more hosting deals and website tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new website with Bluehost.